Okay, this is Home Improvement Tips, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. Today we'll be installing an electrical outlet. On this particular model, there is no brass on one side and silver on the other. Alright, both sides are silver, as you can see. Now, with the plug facing up, and what I mean by up is the grounds are on the bottom, that's facing upward. The hot is on the right side, which is the black wire. Your common or neutral is on the left side. Alright, and it tells you right here in the back. Alright, some of the older plugs, they have holes, and you just insert your wires right into the holes, and that makes it nice, quick, and easy. So, no further ado, we're going to do this. Alright, now, you see the hook. That hook's going to go right around, and it's hooked towards the front because we're turning it to forward. Okay, we're going clockwise. Alright, you want this hook in the same direction as you're turning, so it's clockwise. You just bring it down here and hook it in. And then we tighten it up. Alright. Alright, now, I have turned this the wrong way. I just told you wrong. Alright, so I'm going to turn this around the other way. Just grab it and just turn the hook. Alright, and now, we are going in the right direction. So it's going towards, the hook's going towards the back of the plug. Alright, we're just going to hook this on just like we did before. Okay. As I'm fighting with it. Alright. This keeps it real. Alright, here we go. I wanted to make sure I showed you, because now it's clockwise. And that's the way you want it, the hook to go, the same direction you're tightening. Otherwise it wants to lift it off. Now, going with the common or the white or your neutral. Alright, again, I'm just hooking it right here in the back side of this. Okay, sometimes you got to play with it. There it is. Alright, I'm getting this right in position just like I want it. Okay, that's how it's going to go in. Okay, and you see I'm kind of pulling down on that wire just a little bit, just kind of snug. Okay. Alright, now on the ground, I'm just going to slip. I'm going to keep the ground wire straight, and there's a little groove right here that you just slide it straight into, slide it up, hold it in place, and tighten it down. That's all there is to it. Now you can do the same thing with these screws. Alright, there's a channel, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Alright, that's good and snug right there. Alright, on the back side of the screw here, right here behind it, there's a little channel, kind of like this. And you take your copper wire and you just slide it right into the screw, right into the channel. Then the screw's sitting here and it just clamps down right on top. Alright? But this hooking the wire, bending the wire, that's old school. And so they simplified it by making a channel here right behind the screw that you can just slide it into. Some of these have holes. You just insert the copper wire straight into the hole. Alright, now let's get this in place, and we'll power it up and see if it works. Okay, now for the beauty ring. Now for the plate. It's not a beauty ring. Now for the plate. And the moment we all been waiting for. Okay, go. All right, next we'll check the power. All right, now let's see if we got fire in the hole. Let's see if we got power. Do we got the power? We got the power. Success. All right, now you know how to hook up an electrical outlet. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Save this video for a future reference. You know, we kept it real. I went the wrong way with the hook for the screw for connecting the outlet. Remember, on these double-sided, white double-sided or silver double-sided screws, on the right side is your hot, is your black. Black is hot, white is common or neutral. Okay? And so, most of the time, the brass side is hot. Brass tells you it's for the black wire, your hot wire, all right? The silver side tells you it's for the white wire, the common. So keep that in mind. Black is for your brass. Silver's for white, unless they're both white. And on this particular plug, the right side was your hot side, the black for the black wire. All right. Again, tell a friend, share, like, subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, if I can help you, I'll help you. I can give you information that can help you complete your job or task at hand. So remember, where there's a will, there's a way, and never give up because there's always a way, always. So bye for now. God bless and keep progress moving. Bye for now.